Would it be a problem for you if you run the first time after you not running for 5 years? Would it be a problem for you if you never do hiking and you do hiking the first time? Would it be a problem to you if you cook the first time? Will the food be delicious? The answer will be yes. It will be difficult to hike the first time. It will be not delicious to eat the first time you cook. It will not be nice for you to go to the gym. You will feel your body is aching. Ladies and gentlemen, this is always the story of everyone. When you try something the first time, your mind will have resistance to it. Your body will have resistance to it because it's something new and it's something alien to you, it's something tough. However, if you do not give up, it's just like when you walk into a gym and the first time you try to carry a 15 kg dumbbell, you find that it's very, very heavy and it's almost impossible. But if you try to carry 2 kg, I believe both your hands can handle. You can handle 2 kg, and if you continue with 3 kg, you feel that your body can still handle. 1 week later, you increase to 5 kg, you can still handle. Gradually, if you go to the gym every day, Monday to Friday, you see that carry 5 kg becomes very easy for you in the second or the third week. And if you were to continue carry 5 kg dumbbell, you find that this is going to get easier and easier. And by the time you carry this dumbbell in the second month, you find that you can actually carry 7.5 kg. Why is it easier for you? Because now you reach the stage of momentum. What is a momentum? When you reach the stage of momentum, you become unstoppable. It is like when you ride a bicycle going up the hill, it's tough because you are facing inertia. You have the whole hill against you. But the moment you go up the hill and you're going down, you don't even have to ride anymore. The bicycle itself will bring you down the hill, and this is effortless and there is no effort on your side, but the whole bicycle just go down the hill, and this is what I call momentum. Ladies and gentlemen, in the beginning, it's always very tough going up the hill in whatever you do. The moment you reach the tipping point and when you go down the hill, this is when we say you now comply to the law of momentum. Whatever you do in the beginning that was tough, difficult, and almost impossible now becomes an easy thing for you. It is still difficult for others, but it is easy for you because you have reached the stage where you are now unstoppable and you have the momentum. Now, to reach the level of momentum, everybody will need to go through the process of going up the hill and reach the pinnacle and going down. So, it is also true for me, and training is becoming easier and easier for me because I have been speaking in the last 20 years. And speaking virtually was very tough for me last year. But after I have done it for many times, it becomes easier and easier. So all I need to learn is to learn extra application tools, virtual application tools like Mentimeter, Kahoot, and all these tools is add on to my existing skill. Ladies and gentlemen, the more you learn, the easier it gets for you. Another example I can give you is running. When you are running the first time, you find it's very difficult even to run for 5 minutes. You find that 5 minutes is like 5 hours. Why? Because your body feel aching and you feel tough to run. But if you have been running for 3 months, 4 months, you can easily run for 15-20 minutes non-stop. I guarantee you, if you continue to run for a year, you are ready to even finish a 5 or 10 km marathon. Why? Because your body is conditioned to run. After 1 year, your legs are strong, your muscles are strong, your entire body is strong. But most important, your mind is strong. You are prepared to run. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, it takes 1 year to prepare you to be good in running. If you want to be good in anything, the first 6 months of this new activity in your life will be very challenging, will be very difficult for you. However, do not stop when you have difficulty, because this is the time where you have to go through. This is the tough time you have to go through in order to enter the stage where I call momentum. So when you reach the stage of momentum, things get easier for you, it becomes effortless. You have acquired the skill and the knowledge and the ability to solve whatever problem you have. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Jackson Ng. All I want is to see you at the top in your industry or your career, and I wish you be a masterpiece.